Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your location with Google Maps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your location with Google Maps, start by opening the Google Maps app on your device. If you're using a computer, go to the Google Maps website in your web browser. Once the app or website is open, ensure you're signed into your Google account. Locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the address or location you want to verify. Press enter or click the search icon. The map will zoom in and display the specified location. To check if the location is correct, look for a small blue dot indicating your current location. If the blue dot is not present, ensure your device's location services are enabled. On mobile devices, go to your settings and find the location or privacy options. Turn on location services if they are disabled. You can also choose high accuracy mode for better results. After enabling location services, return to Google Maps. Check if the blue dot now appears on the map. If the dot is still missing, try restarting the app or your device. Once your location is accurately displayed, you can further verify it by looking for familiar landmarks or nearby businesses. For more precise verification, use the satellite view by selecting the layer icon in the bottom right corner. This will provide a more realistic view of the area. If you're satisfied with the location accuracy, you can save it or share it with others. To share a location, click on the Share button, typically represented by an icon of 3 connected dots. Choose your sharing method and follow the instructions to send it. Congratulations! You have successfully verified your location with Google Maps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.